What it do, y'all? It's your boy DZ. We're getting some of that good old hypebeast gas right now. We're actually about to take a trip down to White Plains, go see my boy Al. We're going to link up with him. He's selling his car in Fire WRX. We're about to go check him out. Before he sells it though, he's about to hook your boy up with some SUBISPEED headlights. So we're gonna go vlog, getting those off, putting those on my shit. He's getting the custom Jones off of mine. So we're gonna vlog the whole process. We're heading down to White Plains right now. I know your boy had to get some of that good old hypebeast gas, so stay tuned for the ride.
We be throwing money in a spiral. Every time the girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my hole. She shake her ass, do the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tide roll. I be blowing up like some pyro. 150, call it gyro. If she left with me, she go right home. And she riding me like a BMX. Mrs. 70 is the dino. I got two horns like a rhino. There's no way you can buy home. But I mention with this rhino. Yes, I opened up the slide door. So.
What up? Over there? Oh, stop right here. In the middle of everything? In the middle of this shit?
I'm warming up the BMW. I'm gonna move that so I can move my car there, and you're gonna park yours right next to mine.
I bet. Yeah. The fire, bro. Calm daily, bro. Oh, he got money. Oh, nah, he got money, bro. Nah. Nice. Camera boy. Oh, nah, my son is tucking him. Fucking, bro. Look at him. Nah, my son is dead ass like -2 in the back. That's crazy. Yo, you're dead ass like -2 in the back, bro, at least.
Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Foreign girls in their tents, I can't choose. Foreign car got me tense, I can't move. They got on my dad, I can't even see the time. They don't wanna see her face, I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the wrist, I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K, that was quicker than a vine. I was thinking from my mind. Tryna put me down, but I climb. I'ma get it, keep trying. There's no reason but I try. We the ones that be sliding, and they the ones that be dying. My boys that be riding, and my doors suicide. Side note, you will never reach my goals. I be walking with a slime nose, and I'm also walking with my side hole. Only time I be walking when I'm on the move.
Bumper off. Now this, and them two over there gotta be taken off. These are all 10s. Get this little support piece off, and we'll get these off. So I'm gonna go put that back. So yeah.
So I feel like Michael. I was talking to my little slime, that's a little lizard called a Geico. In reality, I'm Bravo. Save on my money now, 6'6". Hit her once, now she just missed. Can't fuck her sister, make her leak dick. 40 only make my hip dig. When I see her up, make the clip hit. Aiming at his top, boy, you need a mop. Man, I'm going out with a vengeance. My pants, Ralph Simmons, my shoes, Rick. Young girl did my tartar sauce, so she ate my dick like a fish stick. Hit it raw, yes I am a dog. I don't do this shit for no image. All my diamonds, they be hitting hard. Try to play me, boy, that's a scrimmage. They got on my dad. I can't even see the time. They don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the wrist. I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K. That was quicker than a vine. I was making.
I mean, we looking lit. Maybe the camera could. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that shit looks stupid.
Hell yeah. Good looks. Shout out the plug. Shout out the plug. Nah, we lit. This shit is heat.
That was sick.
Hell yeah, bro. Alright, y'all. So this is taking dumb long, and I know y'all getting tired of looking at this. So this light's probably busting right now. But I'm gonna just fast forward to where this shit is done, because I'm getting tired of looking at it. You're getting tired of looking at it. So we lit.
Tryna put me down, but I climb. I'ma get it, keep trying. There's no reason but I try. We the ones that be sliding, they the ones that be dying.
know the vibes. You know the SUBISPEED vibes. Heard you. These hoes bright, bright. Jesus. Nah, these look good though. These look hella good. I like it. Definitely approved. Niggas know the vibes. It's lit. After mad long, finally got these on. So Al, he's tight. You still gotta put this shit on. Tight. Still gotta put these back on. Whip is for sale. Hit them up. How much you want for it?
Too fucking much.
Nah, how much you want for it, bro?
17.5.
17.5, bro. 17.5 for this. You could have this. Never modded, unmolested.
Brand new.
Never modded, bro.
It's authentic oil, bro. I never been changed the oil.
Authentic oil, bro, from 2016, bro. Like, it's new, bro. Like, you know the vibes, though. Stay tuned for another one, though. I'm mad tired. I don't know what to say, but, you know the vibes.
I'm frozen my diamonds, I'm eating the cake now. I slam in your stomach, love when you lay down. Eat it up, that shit is blowing any day now. I go my time, they need me from cake out. Frozen my diamonds since I got the cake now. We doing your stomach.